Okay, well, let's zoom this in a little bit. I don't know why it zoomed out. I did mention on the last slide that things are going to get a little more difficult, okay? But it's still not bad. We're going to do one. We're not going to do the same one that's in example 1. I'm going to give you one that has a slope of 4/5, a point of 5 and -7, okay? And what we talked about, let's go in purple here. We always need to use y equals mx plus b as our starting point. Now, the nice thing is we know our slope. So we're going to put it in. Whenever you're given something, always substitute it in. Problem is we do not know our b. Now, we need to find our b. One thing we do know is we do know this other point, okay? So this other point we could sub in for x and y, and look at it. If I sub in a number for y and a number for x, the only variable I have left is the b. So the y is -7 and the x is 5, and all I have left is the b. So that's nice, okay? This allows us to find b. That's what we're trying to do right here, is find b, okay? So we can do a little math, okay? -7, 4 divided by 5 times 5 is 4, plus b. So if I bring the 4 over, it becomes negative. -7 and -4 is going to be b. We've done that before. That looks like -11 equals b. Okay. So you say, well, we're done. No, we're not. Because the question said, and I'll read it right, an equation of the line. Well, that's the general equation. We subbed in a little bit. We found b, but we haven't connected it all. Okay, and remember I said when we do an equation, it needs to be this y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Remember I said in the last video the x and the y need to stay. We're just replacing the m and the b. So the y, well, we knew what the m was all along. And what we did was we found the b right there. We found b. So we're going to put it in, -11. So now we found the equation for a slope of 4/5, and the line goes through the point 5, -7. That line must be y equals 4/5x minus 11. Okay? I'll do a separate video for the next part on this slide.